Great day. You know how to live with intent of wealth? Every individual is willing to have a clear visibility about a wealth, but every individual is unable to find out the exact features, exact structures, and exact path how we need to intend, how we need to have a clear visibility about acquiring and adopting of financial matters is lacking. Are you in such situation? So here I decoded into 7 steps so that you have a clear visibility about the intentions about your wealth, how we need to manage and what we need to manage, and what are all the skills you need to adopt, so that you have a clear visibility about the things in your life, so that you as an individual, you as a person, definitely need to adopt these things, these 7 steps what I'm going to share today. It will be transform yourself in the terms of in the matters of wealth, and in terms of the debt, in terms of the financial matters in your life. So that definitely, please, I urged you, I request you, please see this video till the end, so that you have a clear information about your intentions about the things what we need to adopt, what every individual, especially what you need to adopt in a life, is a major challenges. So please, whenever we have a clear information about a wealth, whenever we need to have a manageable information, acquirable information, adaptable information is coming across in our minds, what the situations is happen, what are all the intentions to be acquired, that is the major scenarios. So how always we live with intent for wealth? Everybody is willing to have, I need some amount, I need to be financially free, but what are all the steps, what are all the patterns? Here I decoded into 7 most effective ways where every individual have to be and must need to involve and must need to acquire, so that you will transform yourself in the matters of wealth. Here I'm sharing my video to you, my screen to you, so that you have a clear picture about these things. So major visibility about these things is how we need to manage the money, and what are all the scenarios of money, and what are all the intentions to be acquired in a life. So these are the major 7 steps. First step is pay attention. Pay attention. So whenever you have a information about money, you need to stay away from your busyness. Whenever whatever you are doing the jobs, whether you're a salaried person or a business person, you just stay away from the busyness and spare some time about your wealth criterias, and think about the things how I need to manage, what I need to manage. So nobody is having such time to think about our financials. We are in a comfort zone, so we need to come out from that particular comfort zone and think about what we need to have a clear visibility about intention of your wealth. So the second thing is think who you are and what you are. Always think that who you are and what you are. So what best describes you, and what is your expertise at? Are you having any skills in your soul? Do you have any expertise, whether you are any software guy, or are you any particular expertise in dancing, music and all, what are the things whether you are expertise in? So please decode that information about yourself. Think the moments at any point of time of your life anybody has given appreciation, but doing the deeds what you perform, that moment of time is yours. That is example, any advice or any type of help etc have you given to anybody, at that particular time they have appreciated you in terms of any matters, what type of character you have, what type of behavior you have, what type of knowledge information do you have in the times of wealth or any financial matters, have you given any information to anybody, for that reason you have got an appreciation. Think about that, so that you have a clear information, clear visibility about the things what we need to have, what you must have within you. So really what you want in life, that is a major thing. Exactly, everybody is having money, everybody is earning the money, everybody is leading the money daily basis, but exactly nobody having a clear information really what you want in life, what is exactly you want in life, and how much you want in life. In terms of wealth, everybody thinking that I want to be millionaire, I want to be a billionaire. But how much exact amount what you want to be in the next 1 year, next 2 years, or next 3 years? Do you have any plan in your minds? Are you? I don't think so. If you have, please arrange all those things, exact amount of what you want to become in your life. Daily you need to have a clear visibility. If you want in-depth knowledge about these things, please go and visit my www.madhukodidala.com website, so that you have a clear information about the things about a wealth. And I'm doing my webinar also. Just I'm pasting my link in the description below. Go and have a look about that my webinar, so that you have a clear information about these things. Here I'm giving the exact golden nuggets of the stages where your intentions has to be. So really what you want to in life and how much you want in life, and specify the exact figure for your financial freedom. Have you information? Do you have any information about exact amount, how much I need to get, how much I want, so that you have a clear information about your financial information, so that if you want 1 crore rupee in your bank balance, 1 crore rupee in your any assets, 1 crore rupee example, I'm giving 1 crore rupee. So what is your desired things? You just have analyze about as per your financial criterias. Specify the exact figure of your financial freedom. So what is exact financial freedom? I have a separate video in my course. Please go and look in that. So always you need to have a dream big. The third most golden nugget is you just be dream big. Always think out of the box. Everybody is saying this. What exact the out of box means? If you want to perform any task, usually we relate someone to work. If you have any specific creativity of accomplishing that particular task, by noting all the related works and putting cumulative work into one pattern, then it will be called as out of box thinking. Simply says new methodology where nobody had done till date, in the terms of wealth, in terms of financial matters, in terms of any doing of task in a daily basis or monthly basis or yearly basis. What is your criteria? What is your patterns? What is your paths of financials? How much you want to acquire? What are the things you need to deliver in a daily basis? That is the matters. You need to have a dream big of exact amount what you want to become at. So please have a visibility about this dream big pattern. That is the third most criteria. And the fourth most criteria is make goals about your personal things. How much specific amount you want, how much amount you want to get, and why you need to get about this goal, and when I need to get this amount. So these goals has to be specific in nature, where you need to have a clear visibility about the money, about the financials, how you need to acquire, why you need to acquire, how much I need to acquire, what is the exact timeline, what is the end goal about yourself. That you need to have a clear visibility, so that you have a clear information in your life about what you are going to achieve, what you want to attain, what you want going to be accomplished. So that if you have a clear path, you have a clear goal, the ways automatically the brain will give the answers to you. Once you need to have implant the exact goal in your brain, so that the brain will automatically tell the answers to you. Just think about this task, what you want to accomplish. You will find the ways. Definitely you will see the find, because your intention is good, your thought is good, your belief is good. Definitely you will nurture your particular brain in such a way where you can enhance your skills to the next level by adopting the new ways and manage the things in a right way to achieve the desired goal of yours. So that is a major scenarios by keeping a golden nugget of this, make a goals of yours. So without this you can't do anything. And then next best golden nugget is interact and connect with the people who has same mindset of yours. Interact and connect, always associated with the people with the same personality who relates to your mindset, that is always speaking about the future, always working on the task, always set milestones and working on the things of what you want to get, and never procrastinating people, no postponement of whatever the works you desire, and always have a clear visibility about the path where you are going. If you don't have a clear visibility where you are going and when you are going, what is the timeline, what is the milestones, nobody will achieve anything. So these are the major things you need to have a clear visibility, so that you need to have a coordination people, you need to have a associated with the people, those who have a same mindset of yours. Please try to associate it with the rich people, so associated with the talented people, associated with the skilled people, so that you will become the skilled person, you will become the nurtured person in the wealth, in the matters of wealth. So these parameters is must and should. So please, this is, take snapshot of this. Please have your snapshot of this, and keep this photo into your wallpaper in your mobile, so that it is better for you, so that always have a clear visibility why I am doing what I am doing and how much I need to get, what are all the scenarios I need to manage. So please understand these steps, it will really transform yourself. So please try to associate the best skilled person people. If you are not able to find the skilled person people, try to find in the communication, in this communication era, you will find easily. So please associate who is your mentor. If you have a good mentor, you will see the transformation of your life. This is the major golden nugget what I decoded. And also the next thing is, next best criteria is acquire knowledge of wealth. Acquire knowledge of wealth. What is the exact knowledge you are acquiring? How much consistent you are? What is the consistent in learning of the wealth aspects? What are the aspects you are learning on a daily basis, monthly basis? How much time you are spending in a daily? What is your present financials? Have you know anything? What is your income? What are all the expenses is incurring in your daily basis, weekly basis, monthly basis? Have you noted anything? How much amount the expenses are going out? What is your exact wealth position? What is your debt? What are the major debts you have? Whether it is car loan, home loan, education loan, etc., whatsoever the debts you have. What is what is the exact meaning of a good debt and what is the meaning of a bad debt? Ways of multiple streams of income, and what are all the informations about multiple streams, how we need to generate income. So if you want in-depth knowledge about these things, please go and visit my website www.madhu.kodidala.com, and also see my YouTube channel Madhu Kodidala. And if you want to connect with me and you want to be associated with the expertise people in the terms of wealth, go and join my Facebook group, Root Analysis for Wealth and Personality. All the links will be shared in the description below. So if you want to connect yourself, if you want to grow yourself, if you want to enhance your skills in the space of wealth, you need to have a clear visibility about where you are going and why you are going, so that you just need to have mentioned information about a wealth. So what is the wealth, what is the money, what is the financials? You need to have a clear information. Just I'm giving the intentions about a wealth here, intentions about a money here, intentions about a wealth, what you need to acquire. But in-depth knowledge, you just go and acquire, so that you have a clear information. And obviously, if you gain all the knowledge and all, you're paying an attention towards what you need to get, you're thinking and what you are analyzing what you are and how you are, and you are having a dream big option also, and you are setting a make goals. You have goals also, and you are associated with the same personality of yours, same mindset of yours, and you are taking knowledge of about the wealth and the financials, and about all this information is useless if you are not taking action. So please take an action. Knowledge is useless unless we act upon. So take action what you learn. So whatever you have in knowledge, only the thing is, the rich people, why they are going to be rich? Because they are a speed implementers. Whatever the information they are gathering on a daily basis, monthly basis, a weekly basis, from where they are getting, from to whom they are gathering the information, they will acquire that information and they will implement in a right way and implement in a systematic way, so that they will scale their business to acquire multiple streams of income. even if you're a salaried person or a business person, how you need to scale yourself, that is a matters. What type of knowledge you are acquiring, that is a matters. And how you are taking an action after adopting that knowledge of yours, and how much actions you are taking, what are the steps you are taking in a daily basis. Every dot is a matters on a day basis. That every dot is a matters. That dot need to be connected on a daily basis. So if you gaining the knowledge on a daily basis and implementing that knowledge in a daily basis, so that the every dot will connect a chain, every dot will connect a pattern, every dot will connect a path. So the dot matters. What is that particular dot? Your knowledge, your action. What type of knowledge you are acquiring, how you are taking that actions into your reality. That is the major intention of your life. So please understand, these are the major golden nuggets. This information has to be taken into your minds so that you will evolve yourself in the space of wealth. I hope this video is useful for you. If it is good, please share this video to your friends so that they can have visibility about these things. So I'm giving my link, social media links. If you want to join my Facebook group, please join Root Analysis for Wealth, and also my YouTube channel Madhu Kodidala, and also go and visit my website www.madhukodidala.com. I hope it will transform yourself by adopting the skills what you are learned in a life in terms of wealth. Thank you very much. This is Madhu Kodidala, Passive Wealth Expert.